So I think people are just letting it be and waiting for the actual event and flow of news before they will actually take up some positions. So maybe we will see this market sort of persist with the same sort of behavior into today as well as tomorrow.
Alright, that's the word on the Nifty right now, but I was just pointing out a few stocks. The State Bank of Bikaner and Jaipur, State Bank of Travancore. These SBI associate banks have, starred in the otherwise lackluster trading day. The stocks, like pointed out, have jumped almost higher than 10% each after the Parliamentary Committee report said that it did not object to the merger of these banks with its parent, that's State Bank of India. The report also advised further capital raising for these banks. Our banking analyst Ritu Jindal is here with more on the same. Ritu, firstly, why do these banks need more capital?
Well, the Prime Minister,
Ritu Jindal, thanks very much for joining us and bringing us those details regarding the merger of the associates with the parent company as well as some capital raising plans as well. Dr. Narayan, some of these counters, if you do track any of the SBI associates for that matter, or even the parent company itself, SBI?
Well, as far as the offshoots of State Bank are concerned, I think they just follow or try to toe the line of the main central parent, which would be State Bank itself. Looking at the three offshoots which we have, I actually find on the charts that for whatever reason, State Bank of Mysore seems to have lost a lot more from the highs that had been reached about a few months back, as compared to, let's say, State Bank of Jaipur and Bikaner as well as State Bank of Travancore. Insofar as the trends within the offshoots are concerned, I think Jaipur, Bikaner and Travancore look slightly better when you compare it with Mysore. So if one is looking at it, but then they largely move as a pack, and they're always moving in response to some news relating to the final merger with the parent itself. So independently, they don't really have any steam left within themselves to create moves. It would always be linked to these rumors and announcements. So you keep blowing hot and at the moment, I think State Bank is down, so those are also down. State Bank is near some supports. So are these set of banks. So I think their moves will be largely linked to the parent, and you need not really look at it from an independent angle. But insofar as the three are concerned, Bikaner, Jaipur and Travancore seem to be traveling as a pair, and I think Mysore is sort of lagging behind a bit.
Alright, so preferring the other two, State Bank of Bikaner and Jaipur and State Bank of Travancore over State Bank of Mysore. In fact, all the three of them, exceptional gains coming in today, almost 15 to 14% on each one of them. State Bank of Mysore currently at 750, State Bank